Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best hair holder for extensions on the market. The 1-pack extra long hair extension holder wig storage bag with hanger by RJMBMUP. If you're someone who owns multiple long hair extensions, wigs, or ponytails, you know how important it is to keep them neat, tangle-free, and protected. This product promises to do exactly that while making storage and travel easier than ever. What makes this hair extension holder stand out right away is its extra long design. Unlike most traditional wig storage bags that max out around 23.5 inches, this one stretches to 31.5 inches. This means it can comfortably hold hair extensions or wigs up to 30 inches in length without bending or knotting at the ends. This is a game changer for anyone with longer hairpieces because it maintains the natural state of your hair and prevents the frustration of entangling knotted bundles. The construction of the storage bag is thoughtful as well. Made from durable non-woven fabric, it features a transparent front panel, so you can easily see what's inside without having to open it. This transparency is especially useful if you have multiple bags for different hairpieces. The zipper is smooth and designed to last through many uses without breaking or jamming, which can be a problem with lower quality bags. Alongside the bag, you get a sturdy wooden hanger with metal components. The hanger includes double anti-slip cushions, ensuring your bundles stay secure and don't slide off, which keeps your extensions perfectly in place. Another great feature is the versatility of the hanger. Not only does it work for storing your hair extensions, but it also helps when you're washing, drying, or styling them. You can hang your hair extensions securely and work with them hands-free, which saves time and prevents damage that might happen if you try to style them on flat surfaces. This product is designed for convenience and practicality, especially if you travel frequently. The size is compact enough to fit in your suitcase while still protecting your hair extensions from dust, moisture, and tangling. It really simplifies the process of carrying multiple hairpieces on the go, whether it's a weekend getaway or a longer trip. Using the holder is simple. You unlock the hanger by pulling down the hook, hang your hair bundles, then pull back the hook to lock them in place. Once your hair is secured, gently comb it to remove any knots, place the hanger with your hair inside the bag, and zip it up carefully to avoid catching the hair in the zipper. To sum it up, the 1-pack extra long hair extension holder wig storage bag with hanger offers a smart, durable, and travel-friendly solution for storing and caring for long hair extensions and wigs. Its extra length, secure hanger design, and protective storage bag all come together to keep your hair looking fresh and tangle-free, while saving you time in your daily hair care routine. If you're looking for a practical way to organize your long hair extensions and protect your investment, this is definitely a product worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews on the best products out there.